and today we're making chili verde. Now we have our meat in our pan here. We're watching it. It's cooking on low, not too hot. Turned up a little bit. Alright, excellent. And then we have our Anaheims, which we've de-seeded. We've just split them open, spread them out, and scrape the seeds off. We've thrown them away. We want to make sure our area is clean here. Now we're just going to chop them all up. See, we've chopped them up into tiny little pieces. We chopped one up. What you can do is just grab several of them and just have at it. Just cut them up into really tiny pieces. Not too hard. Don't cut yourself because you'll get cut and then it'll burn. Don't do that. Put them on our little plate here. Just chop them all up into tiny little pieces. This is how much we're going to use for today. You can add a lot more if you want. It's all up to you. Just experiment when you make it. It's the best way.